Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make you a salad that brings me back to my childhood. My father, who was born and raised in Greece, always infused that Greek flavor to everything that he made. And so this salad is refreshing and it's easy to make. This salad is actually going to be my lunch today, so I'm preparing it for one. So if you want to make it for more people, just expand the recipe. Feta, red onion, tomatoes, 3 eggs, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. My dad used to add way more olive oil than me because he would eat this with Italian bread and he would break the bread into pieces and just dip it into the dressing afterwards. Sometimes he also added red wine vinegar.